Hey, how's it going guys? Stefan is here. Welcome back for another video. Apple just released a new update, which I'm going to show you in today's video. So if you have an Apple device, check for updates. So this is the iPhone SE first generation. This is quick video to show you the update. Also, if you want to see the video about this case, make sure to check my videos. I'll leave it in the descriptions down below or in the end of this video. So let's go to settings. Let's go to general, about. So as you can see, the iPhone SE is running 13.6.1, but now Apple just few minutes ago, probably a couple of hours ago, just released the new update. So let's check it together. So let's go back and let's go software update, and now we'll check together. So as you can see, iOS 13.7. so the memory of the update is about 135 megabytes. Maybe depends of your device, maybe the memory is going to be a little bit more. So if you go learn more, so basically this is gonna make your iOS 13 a little bit better. What's going to be the changes? Obviously this is an iPhone SE, but if you're rocking iPhone 11 or iPhone XR, so basically any iPhone with a notch and Face ID, this is going to have some changes. So we have a dark mode, we have some changes on the dark mode, also photos, what else, apps. Basically there's going to be a just quick update. This is for the maps as well, reminders, Siri, and so on. I'm not going to go through all the settings that will be changed, but we will check it together now. So let me show you one more time. So let's go to about. This is the 13.6.1, and software update is gonna be 13.7. so let's update together. So download and install. Okay. Okay, so we should have a new update now, which this is interesting from Apple. So let's check it together now. So let's go to settings. Let's go to general, about. Perfect. As you can see, now we have a new fresh update from Apple 13.7. So that's pretty good actually. So the version is new. Like I said, this has been released a couple of hours ago. We don't think that we have any changes for our device, but I think the big changes is going to be for let's say iPhone XR, iPhone XS, iPhone X, 11. But yeah, it's a good thing to know if you want to update your device. So make sure to check for updates. But yeah, pretty good. Make sure to subscribe and turn your bell notification, because I'll upload a new video when we have a new version. So iOS 14, it's very close. So I'm super happy to see how this iPhone will perform. But other than that, that's a very good. I don't see any difference, but like I said, this is going to be more in the newest iPhones. This is the iPhone SE from 2016. So yeah, interesting to see this update. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe and click the bell icon. Don't forget to watch my previous videos, and I'm going to see you in my next video.